Well, in the state of Texas, that fact is admissible in court. So, for instance, if you were the driver of a vehicle, another vehicle ran a red light and hit you, and you go through the windshield and have injuries to your face, that likely could have been and would have been prevented by the use of a seatbelt. So a jury is allowed to be told that you chose not to wear your seatbelt, even though state law required you to do so. And like we talked about a second ago, comparative fault could cause a jury to say, well, you are partly responsible for your own injuries, and they could assign some of the blame for not causing the wreck, but causing the injuries to you.